Every door that we close tight feels like a ghost in the night. I reach for what's slipping away, and it fades into gray. The clock ticks loud in the empty room, counting down the things we knew. I scream your name, but the walls just moan, a hollow echo in the stone. So let the neon bleed its light, paint me in the colors of the night. I'll find my way through the static noise. The city sleeps, but my heart won't rest, tangled in the wires of your past. I'm chasing shadows where you once stood tall. This endless maze has no end at all. The city sleeps, but my heart won't rest, tangled in the wires of your past. I'm chasing shadows where you once stood tall. This endless maze has no end at all. The city sleeps. The city sleeps. The city sleeps. This endless maze has no end at all. Your laughter lives in the broken glass, a symphony of what we lost. I trace the lines on the map we drew, but every path leads back to you. Faded lights on the window pane, memories home in the rain. We built our world from borrowed time, now echoes call through the silence.